based on powerful AI chip and self-developed deep learning algorithm. Dahua launched WizSense, a wide range of AI products and solutions. WizSense does not only brings security intelligence, it also makes security products more affordable, simpler, and more practical. Now, security systems empowered by WizSense no longer need complicated configuration and expensive hardware equipment. A more cost-effective, intelligent security era has come. Through deep learning algorithms, SMD+ and perimeter protection allow users to focus on human and vehicle, as well as filter irrelevant false alarms to eliminate potential threats. SMD+ can be enabled by just one simple click, simplifying the operation and control for novice users. With WizSense, the intelligent security system can be enabled immediately with simple configuration. The perimeter protection function of the thermal imaging camera can identify human and vehicle that violates preset rules, providing maximum protection day and night. Aside from guaranteeing safety, the face recognition function can also identify VIP customers, creating greater business values for end users. WizSense Active Deterrence Camera can timely warn off intruders with white light and siren. At the same time, users will receive push notifications on their mobile phones, enabling them to act and respond to the situation accordingly. WizSense features quick target search function, enabling users to choose a target type in order to quickly locate human suspects and suspicious vehicles after an event. WizSense also offers image search and face attribute search functions to quickly locate targets and video evidences, efficiently saving time and labor costs on event retrieval. The AI coding function puts emphasis on human and vehicle when encoding, ensuring the clarity of the target image while saving storage costs. WizSense adheres to strict data security standards, guaranteeing a fully reliable data protection for all its users. Through WizSense empowerment, the intelligent AI security system will be smarter, more accurate, more focused, and more convenient, allowing 180 countries and regions worldwide to share a new era of intelligence. With its mission of enabling a safer society and smarter living, Dahua keeps on innovating. Dahua WizSense enables an intelligent security system, making AI inclusive for all to benefit everyone.